Hey everybody, my name's Eileen Marie and welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. It's been a while since I've been talking about getting this started, guys, so we gotta celebrate. Alright, today I'm gonna share with you my brand new series, Art Lapses, where I share with you my processes in art when it comes to painting or drawing or whatever else you guys want to see so you can apply it to your own artistic journey. Today, we're going to be going over one of my favorite paintings that I've done recently from my Alice's Adventures in Wonderland series, featuring the Cheshire Cat. So let's go ahead and dive in, and I'll go over through my entire process with you guys. See you guys there. Here we go. Here we're at it. Here's the show. So, I like to get my little color palette figured out before I work on a piece so I can just, go at it, start slaying that canvas, you know what I'm saying? So just slapping down some color right now. As you can see, sometimes one color pops up and then another. Just, don't be afraid of your canvas. Don't be afraid. It's Photoshop. You got layers. You got an undo button. Don't be afraid to just get your colors on the canvas. You can change them. This ain't acrylic. Oh, now we're getting spicy. Getting some watercolor texture blending layer mode action on, Sometimes a little too much flatness, even if it's layered, can be flat. So you gotta add some, some of that traditional spice in this digital life. And you gotta work on your details, That's where the magic happens. That's where the eye likes to enjoy. Oh, I just did some a layer selection there and just put in all those leaf details, and with that fancy little trick you don't have to be afraid of bleeding out of your layers, You just copy and paste in, because it's all the same detail, but we want to sprinkle it throughout this piece. You got your variety, but you also gotta have your unity, or else the thing will just fall apart. So I'm getting some of more of that detail in. That's where the eye dances, We got those details. And now I'm just trying to figure out the cloud color. What is gonna read as a cloud but not be too loud. It's in the background. It should stay in the background. And sometimes I have a little bit of a problem with too much contrast. Working on it. Work in progress, people. That's what art's about. We're always a work in progress. So now we got our star of the story, Miss Alice, up in these woods. Gotta get her little details in there, and she's all excited to see a cat because she loves cats, and who doesn't? Cats are awesome. So there's a little preview from a previous illustration that I did in this series. I failed myself and didn't put in all the colors for the color palette, so I had to go reference the dark blue lines on her dress, and I guess her mouth too. That's what it looks like. So we're getting Mr. Old Cheshire Cat now. Looks like I forgot his colors too into my initial color palette, but that's okay. We can go back and reference the colors we used. It's okay if we don't always plan everything ahead.
And here I'm just using some of that pen tool action mixed in with some brush action. Oh, there was some layer effect options. I slapped on an inner glow and a stroke, and then I used the alpha mask with the gradient tool to make it look like he's disappearing or about to disappear, because that Cheshire Cat be popping in and popping out and popping and bopping throughout this whole story. Let me tell ya. Yeah, those clouds were giving me a little bit of headache. Because like I said, you want the background to stay in the back. Oh! And it was over. Here's the final in all its glory.
Well, that was it. That was the video. That was the process. I hope you guys got something out of that. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave those in the comments down below. And if you liked the video, feel free to hit that like button, just so I know what kind of content you guys are resonating with and what kind of stuff you'd like to see more of. And if you'd like to see this little old face here more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And remember, you're magical, so keep shining on. Bye! Oh, this light is everything. This light is giving me everything. It's giving me face, the way those eyes pop, and that's a wrap.